Hi. In this video, we will quickly overview the Seaklear AquaPill WinterPill 2 3/4 of an inch. AquaPill WinterPill all-in-one formula is an exclusive 4-part blend to make spring openings faster and easier than ever. It has a clarifier to maintain sparkling clean water, a scale inhibitor to prevent scale build-up on surfaces, and a stain inhibitor to prevent iron, copper, and manganese stains. SpringPill is enzyme-enhanced. It naturally destroys all organics, preventing water ring, enhances filter performance. Product benefits: floats under your winter cover all season. Performs well with mesh safety covers. Patented 6-month delivery system. Safe for all surfaces and filters. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.